How to install Visual Studio on all Windows. First, open your browser and search the Visual Studio keyword toolbar. Select the first line. Depending on how you use it, you can download different versions. After downloading, open that folder. Select Continue. After downloading the application, a window will appear as follows. Depending on your purpose of use, please check the corresponding boxes. Here I choose Net Desktop Development. After selecting, click on Install. Wait for the installation to finish. To avoid taking too long, I will fast forward the video. After installation is complete, the application will be opened. Click the Launch button. Depending on the color you like, choose the background. Please select the language you want. Here I choose C#. Create a project for you. Select the language you want. Here I choose Window Form C#. To summarize, we have just installed the Studio Visual application and created a project.